Pantrum. Pokemon on my data. Drinking red soda like Phantom. Coin case for the gambler. Getting a bell for a scanner. Back to X. Transfer. White to white, where is my Stantler? My Pokemon look like a panda. Cups, you got nothing on Panther. Black to X. Transfer. White to white. Stantler. Movie with Diancie. Sounding rare. Candy. My Macho will beat up your granny. Gorbis is gorgeous yet clammy. Pull up your pants, it's a scraggly. Hope you trainers understand me. Pokemon on my data. Drinking red soda like Phantom. Coin case for the gambler. Getting a bell for a scanner. Back to X. Transfer. White to white, where is my Stantler? My Pokemon look like a panda. Cups, you got nothing on Panther. Black to X. Transfer. White to white. Stantler. Movie with Diancie. Sounding rare. Candy. My Macho will beat up your granny. Gorbis is gorgeous.
M.A.W.
Today, this video is going to explain to you the benefits of
M.A.W.
having this setup
in the house.
and a one-pass squeegee. Now, that up there is plexiglass, but what happens if you remotely try to use a bigger channel, you'll find that it doesn't take all the water off on the ends. It buckles and it's curved, so you have to use a small squeegee. So if you don't have this setup, you would either have to have somebody wet for you, or you have to use two separate tools, unless of course you have a multifunction tool. Now, even a baby high flyer, you still have to collapse the pole, get a dip, and then bring it back up. But on a day like today, you don't have to worry about it drying. But let's say you were in the sun. What would you do then? You'd have to clean a quarter of the window or half of a window, depending on how fast you are, and then re-wet the other half. But as you can see, that tool will allow you to just keep going without even stopping. So we're going to show you that.
M.A.W. mixes in the house.
sound, not often found. Brooklyn, Queens, Bronx, all of the rest. Different styles for all kinds of dress. Some wear shoes and some wear sneaks. Bike is short for the big butt freak. Uptown kids house and all of the steps. Come on, girl, there's no time to flex. Get on the floor to your feet get sore. Soaking wet as the sweat starts to pour. On the ground as you stomp the shake. Come on, girl, cause it's not too late. Just move, jump, jack, your body. Move, jump, jack, your body. Move, jump, jack, your body. Move, move. Now, how many times you took for granted when the beat was slamming like Janet Jackson? It called for affirmative action. No time for maxing, just taxing. Get off the wall, let the beat press on. To the dawn, blow the roof off the barn. Shake it till the walls start to sway. Now stomp your troubles away. Stomp! Yeah, that's the idea. Stomp! Yeah, that's the idea. Stomp! Yeah, that's the idea. Boot up, jack, your body. Stomp! Yeah, that's the idea. Stomp! Yeah, that's the idea. Stomp! Yeah, that's the idea. Boot up, jack, your body. Now I wanna play a little game of Simon Says. Simon Says, shake your head. Move your body to the rhythm like so. When I say jet, let's go. Now girls in the front, I want you to jack. Fellas in the back, I want you to clap. At the same time, stomp your feet. And just freak the step to the beat. I know you're hot, hot, dripping with sweat. But no, you can't stop yet. I got the feed for the flavor of a jiggle. So I'm gonna make my way to the middle of a girl. Cause I don't front, I give the girl just what she wants. Move, jump, jack, your body. Move, jump, jack, your body. Move, jump, jack, your body. Move, your body. Move, jump, jack, your body. Move, jump, jack, your body. Move, jump, jack, your body. Move, your body.
My name is Marcus, I'm the great entertainer. When I clean the window, yes, I ain't no stranger. Try to clean the window faster than me, you'll be in danger like a caution sign. Why till it blow your mind? I'm cleaning more windows than your whole lifetime. You know I'm black, and my skills are all that. Put the high fly behind me, clean the window with my back. With one use of wagtail, it took my soul. Just like the black hole, I was cleaning more windows than a tree grows mold. I get up without wagtail in the chair. I put it on a pole, put it in the air. Deep into space, cause I ain't here, but don't fear. 5 o'clock, I'm hitting the block. Checking every store from shop to shop. Go across the street to get a soda pop, but I won't stop. High flying windows to the early morn. Raising wagtail since I was born. I wash up and I squash up some more hours. 5:30, I'm feeling right alive. That wagtail sure, yeah, sure can fly. Whack, whack. Whack, 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 whack. Wagtail. 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 That's right, y'all. That's right, y'all. That's right, y'all. Wagtail's where it's at. This is Masters at Work. And I'm out of here.